found the mama. She came down the tree. Now the little baby is climbing the tree, and the mama's going back up to the nest, I guess. And then pay attention to me because I did just touch a child. That's wrong, even in nature form. All right. Hey, buddy, you got a long way to go. I trust you'll get there, though. You got mama. Good job, buddy. Keep going. You can do it. You can make it. Climb that tree. So cute. And the mama, she got him. Oh. Just don't attack me, all right, mama? Very good thing today.